Hello, everybody. Good to see everyone here. Welcome to the 27th edition of Geek Night. Uh, Today's theme is Demystifying Azure App Services. We'll learn how to create, configure, and troubleshoot app services today. My name is Mihir. I have been associated with ThoughtWorks since last three plus years as a BA. Starting with the first session as a prologue, as an introduction to app services. So before we move to app services, it is vital to understand the various cloud services model available. Basically, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and even the software as a service. You all might be aware that app services, the Azure app services fall into the category of PaaS model, the platform as a service. So if we start with ensuring among ourselves a basic understanding about the cloud services. Now let's think, how would you be explaining the cloud services to a layman? Say probably to your mom or dad. Maybe we can use an example of how we can prepare salad for dinner and try to relate it to what are the various cloud services available. First option could be we can make in-house. Who manages that? Basically, you are using as in you will be using your own kitchen. You will use your own ingredients and prepare your salad yourself. This is very similar to the on-premise mode of developing an application. You have your own storage, network, and computing powers. Another option would be maybe you can walk to your friend's place to use their kitchen. But you have to take your own ingredients and prepare the salad yourself in the way you like it. Here, you are just using a shared physical place like kitchen of your friend for preparing the salad with your own ingredients. It will save you from the hassles of maintaining your own kitchen actually. Now, relating this is very similar to the infrastructure as a service model. You use shared storage, data centers, and network to develop your own application while using your own tools and techniques. Taking a step further, as you are using your friend's kitchen, in fact, you can even ask them to provide the ingredients as well. So that using your friend's kitchen as ingredients, you prepare your salad the way you like it. Here you are consuming shared ingredients as well as while preparing your own salad in your own way. This is similar to platform as a service, where with the shared storage data centers and network, you are also using the shared tools and techniques available to develop your own application. Lastly, if you do not want to invest time in preparing a salad, maybe you can just order it from a food delivery app and pay them appropriately. Here you are just paying the food delivery app for what you are eating without any hassle for arranging for kitchen or ingredients or even preparing for that. This is very similar to software as a service. You just sign up for any software and use it directly. I hope this gave a basic understanding of the various cloud services model in the industry. Taking a step further, let us try to understand the key differences between all these models in a bit more technical fashion. In the on-premises service type, so basically you will be managing all the aspects of application development yourself, right from networking, servers, storage, to managing middleware and even data while developing the application. So everything you will have to manage yourself. There will be nothing which others will be managing for you. Taking example of IaaS now, infrastructure as a service, where infrastructure is delivered to customers on demand. You can rent or lease servers for compute and storage in the cloud and use that infra to build and deploy your applications. You can run any operating system or applications on the rented servers without the maintenance and operating cost of those servers. As we show in this particular picture, the others, as in the service provider, will be managing the server storage and networking, while you have to manage the operating system, middleware, data applications, everything. Examples of IaaS providers in the market are AWS, Rackspace, and even Microsoft Azure. Few features of Azure are they provide the infrastructure only to be used as a service. Coming to PaaS model. So platform-based service is a category of cloud computing services that provides a platform allowing you to develop, run and manage application without the complexity of building and maintaining the infra. You control the software development with minimal configuration options. And the provider provides the network, servers, storage, even the operating systems, the middleware, uh, and using these services, you can uh, deploy or host your application on that. App services provided by Microsoft Azure is a leading platform-based service in the market these days. The other services are Force.com by Salesforce, OpenShift by Red Hat, Elastic Beanstalk by Amazon. Moving to the SaaS model. So it is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to you over internet. So instead of installing and maintaining software, you simply access it via the internet, freeing yourself from the complex software and hardware management processes. A very good example of SaaS is the current Zoom on which we are on. We're just using it for our webinar. The other options are Gmail, Facebook, all the other things. Now, as we had mentioned, app services from Microsoft Azure is a platform based service provided by Azure, and it is one of the leading ones. And let's understand what are the various characteristics of an app service. It is like a fully managed platform. You will have, you can use the built-in infra, maintenance and security patching and scaling, all those features of app service and use it for your own benefit. The app services also provides a CI/CD integration automatically. And using that, you can deploy without any downtime. The app services also provides automatic integrations with the other VMs and the virtual networks so that you will have the ability to run in an isolated and dedicated environment. Also, the app services comes with inbuilt rigorous security of Microsoft, where there will be compliance to seamless deployments across Azure and even the on-premise environments. These are the major characteristics of the app services, which makes it a platform as a service offering from Microsoft. Let us quickly see few of the benefits of Azure App Services. It ensures a very easy and fast deployment, where Azure handles the deployment of your application to multiple servers at the same time. Moreover, even the auto scaling feature of app services ensures very high availability. So Azure kinds of like provides a SLA of 99.95% for the reliability perspective. Even using Azure App Services, you can combine multiple apps, which will help you to optimize cost. One of the other good features which we can benefit from is the Azure App Services have various deployment slots. So you can use one slot, make it as a staging, and test it there, test your functionalities or the changes which you are doing on that, before swapping that slot to production and making it live. Hope this helps. Now let us deep dive into the world of app services.